Welcome to the lecture on multiplication math terminology. We've already done subtraction and addition. Now we're doing multiplication, and my next lecture, which is already in the queue behind this one, is the one on division. Please subscribe to my channel. I have very short videos, power-packed, full of all the rules that you may have forgotten based on missing school or being ill, or even just forgotten because that's the way the human brain works. I revise all the rules in short lectures from grade 1 all the way up to senior school. Let's get on with this one. So we've got 98 multiplied by 3. Now when we're working with multiply, we have special words for these numbers that we're working with, that number, and that number. So let's look at those words. 98, the name for 98 would be factor. And we're multiplying it by another factor. And the answer would be the product. Now, I'm sure you've heard your teachers before talk about a product. Find the product of 5 times 3. We know the answer is 15. So the name of the answer would be product. 15 would be called the product. 5 would be a factor and 3 would be a factor. Like here, 98 is a factor and 3 is a factor and 294 is a product. Now, what happens if you've got a long multiplication sum? Let's look at that. Well, we know the first one here is going to be called a factor. We know the next one here is going to also be called a factor. But what about this one and this one? This one we know is a product. But what about the two in between? They're very easy. They are called partial products. Partial products, okay? Partial product, because it's only a part of that answer there. Partial product. And then we know we've got the product last. So we have factor, partial product, and then the actual product. Let's do it with simple numbers here. 5 times 2 equals 10. Factor, product. Okay. Right. Factor, product. Okay, so I hope to see you in my lectures on my channel. I focus on making sure they are short lectures, to the point, no rambling, quick delivery of answers to you based on rules that you understand better, so that you can do better and get good marks. See you in the Division 1 next.